So, you know the drill. You've just installed LED fog lights in your European vehicle and you start it up. You're proud of your job. They look great. But then you're greeted with this message. Front fog lamp left and front fog lamp right. Obviously you want to keep your sweet new yellow fog lamps. You don't want that error to show up. So I'm going to show you how to remove that error with a simple trick and keep that fog lamp, the LEDs. Now this will work on any LED upgrade that you do in your European car that has that error system. But you will require, I'm going to show you how to install a resistor. You will require one of those resistors for every single bulb that you swap out. So keep that in mind when you're considering swapping out to an LED headlight, fog lamp, or tail marker type setup. I'm creating my own kit based on parts that I bought online. So it's a 50 watt 6RJ resistor. And I'm going to use one for each light. So I've got one for the left, one for the right. Now the install is going to be dead simple. All you're going to do is attach one wire to the one wire on the fog light and the other wire to the other wire on the fog light. And if you buy the right ones, it'll come with these easy clips which make it so you don't have to rewire anything or anything like that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. On this vehicle, to access the wiring for our fog lights, you just pop this off. It's got little clips on there, so that you can see the little hole there, right there, and there's another little hole there. That allows you to get a screwdriver in and just pry it off. That will expose the fog light, which exposes some Torx head screws. Now these are a T25. Most European vehicles are going to use some sort of a Torx, so you just pull those off. Now that gets you to the wiring. You can see we've got two wires here. Now what I'm going to do is just clip these wires onto here. Now I'm going to peel back a little bit of this tape like that, so I got more room. This comes with the wire a little bit exposed. I'm going to actually cut that off because I don't want the wire to stick out at all and short on anything. So I'm going to just cut that off with my dull pliers. You don't need special tools to do this. You just need some pliers that are a little bit okay. And then these guys, all they do, they clip around the wiring like that, and when they're in, they should slide up and down, just like this. And then clip the other one on as well, and again, should slide up and down, and then there should be a little stopper in there, so it only allows it to go in so far. You want to make sure it goes in far enough. I'll try and do this so you guys can see. So that's on, and then this little tab here just gets pinched. So you make sure the wires are in, pinch them tabs in super tight, and then give that little tug on that, little tug on that, and then this folds over and locks it. And that is one of our two wires installed. Now we do the same thing with the other one. Make sure it's in there all the way. And I like to offset them if I've got the space, just in case. Again, squeeze that down like that. These will pinch through the insulation, so you want to make sure they actually get through it. And then again, like that. And that's the whole installation. So it's really just the resistor is going to pretend it's the extra resistance from the bulb that it's missing. So after that's all done, I'm going to just shove this in here out of the way. It will get warm, it shouldn't get too hot. And then I'm going to just put that in there. I'm not going to screw this down yet because I want to make sure that it's good before I screw it all down. So I'm going to turn it on, make sure that everything's good, no more errors from that light. So that fixes the one fog light. So this is the driver side that we just did. We're gonna do the passenger side next. It should be exactly the same thing. The error is gone for the driver side. So passenger will fix same way. Problem will go away, and that should clear all the error lights on this vehicle at this time. I had some for marker lights, I had some for tail lights, and I had some for the fog lights. So I just have been replacing all the lights today. This is the final thing that I have left to fix. Now, something to note when you want to do this mod, I got my resistors on Amazon. There are kits out there that you can buy. They are listed as error canceling kits. I also saw some kits at Walmart. They're a little bit more money. They only come with 2 resistors. They're, I think, about 25 bucks Canadian. This kit all in from Amazon for 4 resistors was $20 for all 4. So you can buy them separate as just the resistors using the information that I gave you, or you can buy the kits. They're all pretty much the same. They're just a resistor. It needs to be high wattage rating, so it'll dissipate that heat. So once you get the proper resistor, the install is easy. Polarity does not matter, so it doesn't matter which wire you plug on to which wire. Each one, you just plug one on one and one on the other, just like what you saw in this video. It is very, very easy. And that is a completed LED resistor error canceller modification, and that's what it looks like when you're done.